children. Welcome back to ABC Animals. Today, animals will help us learn the names of fruits and vegetables in English. Let's go! Monkey, banana. Here comes the monkey. He is holding a banana. This is a banana. Banana, banana. The monkey loves bananas. Rabbit, carrot. Look at the rabbit. She is eating a carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot, carrot. The rabbit loves carrots. Bear, apple. Here comes the big bear. He found an apple. This is an apple. Apple, apple. The bear loves apples. Elephant, watermelon. Look, it's the elephant. He is holding a watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. The elephant loves watermelons. Bird, strawberry. Here comes a little bird. She is pecking a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry. The bird loves strawberries. Panda, cucumber. Here comes the panda. He is munching on a cucumber. This is a cucumber. Cucumber, cucumber. The panda loves crunchy cucumbers. Goat, lettuce. Look at the goat. She is chewing lettuce. This is lettuce. Lettuce, lettuce. The goat loves lettuce. Tortoise, tomato. Here comes the tortoise. He is eating a tomato slowly. This is a tomato. Tomato, tomato. The tortoise loves tomatoes. Horse, corn. Look, it's the horse. He is eating corn. This is corn. Corn, corn. The horse loves corn. Sheep, broccoli. Here comes the sheep. She is holding broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli. The sheep loves broccoli. Great job, children. Let's say them one more time together. Banana, carrot, apple, watermelon, strawberry, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, corn, broccoli. Wonderful! You learned fruits and vegetables in English with ABC Animals. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories and lessons.